In this lecture, we are going to take a look at a concrete example for variable arguments. So for example, we would like to sum up integers. That's why we are going to create a public static void sum method. So in the argument, we want to get two integers. So integer num1 and integer num2. So we can call this method without any issue 3 and 5, but what if we would like to use this method for 2 integers, 3 integers, 4 integers, and it depends on the user at runtime. This is why variable arguments came to be. So we can do something like integer ... numbers, and here we can use this nums variable as a one-dimensional array. So we can iterate through I is less than the nums dot length I plus plus. We have to define a sum. At the beginning it is 0. So here we can define that the sum is equals to the sum plus the nums with index I. So this is how we can sum up the value, and finally we can print out that the result is, and we append the sum. So here with the sum method call, we can define two integers. So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8, but we can define as many values as we want. So 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 is equals to 38. So that's why the result is going to be 38. What's crucial that we are not able to use two variable arguments. So if we want to use the same for names, then it's going to be a compile time error. As you can see, you are not able to run the application because the problem is that we would like to use two variable arguments within the same method. So we can use a single vararg, and what's important that we can use other parameters, for example the age parameter, the name parameter, and then we can get the one-dimensional array of values. So in this case we can specify Adam as the string, we can specify 10 as the age, and we can specify all the other values here. So 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 200, for example, the result is going to be 218. If we want to use the variable argument as the first parameter, again there's going to be a compile time error. So this is a crucial part again, that if we want to use variable arguments, we have to use it as the last argument or last parameter of the given method. So this is how we can use varargs or variable arguments with other parameters as well. Thanks for watching.